So you're first going to want to turn on the unit right here. Then you're going to put your passcode in. This is going to be 8888. Now let's say that number didn't work. You could put the user code 6363 and you can change that in the settings. Username, you can change that. Date and time, language, and also you can modify your password if you wanted a different 4-digit code. Now, we want to set up the laser by putting on a tip. So this is going to screw off counterclockwise. And we want to keep this because the number one reason lasers break is from dust getting in there. And then you're going to choose one of the tips to use. So we're going to open up one of the tips and you're going to take the plastic part off the end of the tip. Okay. Then we're going to screw that all the way in until it's tight. There we go. Now, if we wanted to bend the tip, you could bend this around an instrument, or it comes with a bending tool. So what you would do is put that all the way in till you hear a click and bend it to your desired length. Or just make sure that it's not 90 degrees. If you wanted to insert one of the PBM adapter tips, same thing. It does come with multiple different tips. Okay, you have multiple tips. What you would do is make sure that you saved the end of these. Once again, screw that in. Take the end cap off, make sure you save that, and then you're ready to go. Also, these hand pieces, counterclockwise here, these hand pieces come off and are autoclavable. You press that little black button, slide that off, make sure it's clicked on, and that should come with two. Should you want to cleave your tip and it's too long, this is a cleaving unit. You open this up and there's a knife there to cleave this unit, and you can look at our stripping and cleaving video in order to see how to cleave a fiber tip. It's also going to come with some blue articulating paper. Should you want to initiate your tip, you do not need to initiate the 445 wavelength or the 450. And this is how easy it is to set up your Woodpecker laser.